Hello, cycle members. Welcome back to our Health Talk series with Jemima. In our last video, I made mention of the fact that we are exploring a particular topic, the reason why some people recover faster than others. And we talked about the hidden logic of healing. In today's episode, we'll be taking part two, and part two's topic is talking about the hidden factors that control healing speed. Now, if there is one thing that modern medicine and traditional wisdom both recognize, it is the fact that stress can influence the body's ability to heal. Many people misunderstand stress. They think it is simply about thinking too much or worrying. In reality, stress is a complex biological response involving the brain, hormones, immune system, and many other parts of the body. When you are under prolonged or chronic stress, your heart rate and stress hormone levels changes. Long-term stress can make your immune system less effective over time. It can contribute to unhealthy inflammation in your body. Digestion may become less efficient and sleep quality often declines. In response to stress, the body shifts into a survival mode designed to help you cope with immediate challenges. Now, while this response is helpful in the short term, ongoing stress may cause the body to devote more resources to managing stress responses, making some repair processes less efficient. This helps explain why two people with the same illness may not recover at the same time. A person experiencing persistent stress, anxiety, or emotional exhaustion may recover more slowly than someone whose body is under less stress. Research has shown that chronic stress can weaken the immune system over time, while traditional healing systems have long recognized the close relationship between emotional well-being and physical health. They use different ways of explaining the same observation. Now, listen carefully. If there is one natural healer your body depends on every night, it is sleep. Sleep isn't simply the time when your body switches off. It is one of the most active periods for restoration and recovery. While you sleep, tissue repair becomes more active, immune cells work more efficiently, inflammation is carefully regulated, and the brain clears up metabolic waste that build up during the day. So, in other words, sleep isn't just rest, it is one of the body's most important repair periods. Now, imagine two people getting the same treatment for the same illness. One consistently gets deep restorative sleep, while the other sleeps poorly or only for short periods. Even with similar treatment, they may recover at different speeds because one body has more opportunity to carry out its natural repair processes. This is one of the most overlooked reasons people wonder why they don't recover quickly as expected. Sometimes the challenge isn't the treatment itself, it is the fact that many people don't get their quality recovery time. Sometimes the challenge isn't the treatment itself, it may be that the body isn't getting enough quality recovery time. Another major reason recovery speeds differ is the presence of underlying health conditions that may not be obvious at first. Examples include anemia, which is a condition in which the blood receives less oxygen than normal, often because of low red blood cells or low hemoglobin. Diabetes or other blood sugar disorders, hormonal imbalance, high blood pressure, certain chronic infections, reduced liver or kidney function, etc. Two people may appear to have the same illness on the surface, but internally they may be dealing with very different challenges. One person's body may already be working hard to manage another condition before a new illness develops. Because of this, recovery may vary significantly from person to person. That is why proper evaluation and diagnosis are so important. Symptoms alone don't always tell the full story. Healing isn't only a physical process. Emotional well-being can also influence how the body responds during recovery. Research suggests that people who feel emotionally supported, socially connected, hopeful, and mentally grounded may experience better recovery in some situations, depending on the illness and individual circumstances. This doesn't mean emotions replace medical treatment. Rather, it means emotional health can influence some biological processes that support healing, including the body's stress response and hormone balance, immune system regulation, sleep quality, appetite, and nutritional intake. For generations, traditional healing systems have emphasized the importance of emotional well being during recovery. Modern medical research now provides a growing evidence that emotional health can influence several biological processes involved in healing. So let's get back to our main question. Why do two people with the same illness and sometimes even the same treatment sometimes recover at very different speeds? The answer is that treatment is only one part of the recovery process. The body receiving that treatment is the environment in which healing takes place, and every person's body is unique. Recovery can be influenced by many factors, including immune function, chronic stress levels, nutrition, sleep quality, emotional well being, underlying medical conditions, and social and environmental support. With that, we have come to the end of today's episode. Medicine is powerful, but it works within the complex system of the human body. And because those systems differ from one person to another, recovery also varies. That's why personalized medical care, healthy lifestyle habits, and following the advice of qualified healthcare professionals all play important roles in recovery. Take care of your body today, and it will help you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to everyone. God bless you. We'll see you in our next episode. Bye.